In 2022, is the Sony ZV-1 a good enough camera for portrait photography? Now, the Sony ZV-1, if you don't already know, features a 1-inch sensor. Most compact cameras out there features only a 2/7-inch sensor. Now, today I have a friend with me, which is Shuyin, and she's going to be my model while we test out the features of the Sony ZV-1. If you don't already know, behind us is actually the first location, so let's take some photos and see what this camera is capable of. Okay. So one of the good things about this camera is that you can actually blur its focus with one single button. You can see over here, there's this out of focus button, and once you press it, it will actually drop down to f1.8. So, one good thing about this camera is that you can actually tilt the screen downwards to be able to give you a much lower angle. Comb your hair backwards, yeah. This one is nice, this one is nice, this one is nice. Okay, you want to try to sit. Now, with this camera, it's not all rainbows and butterflies, it's compromise. Now, literally because this camera has a poor battery life. Now, inside each one of these little MPF batteries, each one of these can only last up to 30 or 45 minutes, which is really weak compared with other cameras such as my A6400, which can last actually up to 1 hour to about 2 hours of use. So that's one thing you have to consider, that this camera, although small and good, it's not perfect.
Oh, nice!
So from this simple outdoor shoot, I think we all can agree that this Sony ZV-1 is really amazing for a camera of its size. The 1-inch sensor is able to capture such vivid colors in the skin tones. Details in the background are also very visible and contrasting. So if you're planning to take some simple portrait photography for Facebook, Instagram, this camera will more than does it. With price tag of only $748, it's quite hard to beat or find any challenger in this compact camera category. Of course, if you're planning to do commercial portrait photography, I'll suggest jumping in straight to the full frame camera line if your budget allows. The details and the ability to be able to change lenses will be something that you really like compared to a compact camera which has only a fixed focal range. But if your eyes are already fixed on this little camera, I've created a playlist over here which cover different videos covering the Sony ZV-1, which I think you guys will be interested in. If not, do the usual, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.